for this one P. Okay, what is the distribution number A? Apa nama dia? What is the distribution?
Negative binomial.
Negative binomial. Why you know this negative binomial? What is the keyword?
Third free throw.
The third, you see this one, the third. Third, this one is negative binomial. Okay, the number B. Number B. What is the distribution?
Binomial.
Binomial. If binomial, you must know the value of n. Okay, if you this one is binomial, what is the value n? N is not given for this one, and n is not given. Okay, what is the distribution? Binomial is wrong.
Geometry.
Geometry. Okay, for this one, geometry, you can using geometry or negative binomial. It is same, This one is same. R is equal 1. For this one is R. Okay, for this one, third is X is equal, R is 3, and X is equal 5. This one same. Okay, number two. Okay, quality, try tengok this one. After that, okay. So quality insurance, okay. The mean is given. The mean is given for this one. Non-conforming, this rejects. Okay, for this one is given. Biarkan dapat luar. Okay, assume the number of non-conforming follow normal. Okay, for this one is given binomial distribution. Okay, looks at the number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay, Petronas Oil Company conducts a geological study that indicate an exploratory oil well should have 30% chance of striking oil. This one is P is given. P is given. Okay, Petronas Company drill 18 well. What is the probability at least 5 of the well yield oil? Okay, what is the distribution for this one? Number 3A. Okay, binomial is okay. Okay, number B. Okay, negative binomial. Hey, if you find the keyword is third, fifth, this one is negative binomial. Negative binomial. Okay, number 4.
So, yang question yang B itu geometri pun boleh juga.
Yang mana? Yang ni tak boleh geometri. Geometri kalau it is one, it is okay. Geometri just for one strike, it is okay. For example, dia tak boleh lah. R is equal 1. Geometry is R equal 1. Geometry. If R greater or equal this one, greater or 1, it is negative binomial. Okay, number 4. Okay, quality control, competence. Okay, number 4. Okay, what is the distribution for A1?
Binomial.
Okay, binomial. Okay, why you know binomial?
3 or more chips.
3 over 6. 3 over 6.
3 or more chips.
2 or more 6, this one. Okay, because n is given, for this one, n is given. This one is n. N is given, we must using binomial. This one same, binomial. Okay, number B. Number B, what is this distribution? Okay, negative binomial, negative binomial. Okay, for number B, what is the value x? What is the value x? Number B, what is the value X? X, what is the value R? Okay, X is 9, R is equal 4, 4. So 4. Okay, number 5. Okay, for this one, it is given 5. The box are render selected. What is the value? Okay, number 5A. 5A, what is the distribution?
Geometry.
Okay, geometry. Geometry. Geometry is wrong, Okay, negative binomial wrong. Hypergeometry pun salah. Hypergeometry must have n capital N.
Binomial.
Binomial. The first is binomial. Okay, number B. Number B. Okay, still binomial. Okay, number B binomial. Okay, number 6. Number 6. P is given. P is 10%. What is the probability that third non-defective engine will found on the fifth trial? Okay. Okay, negative binomial is okay. Okay, number B. B bersama B sama and B. Negative binomial. Okay, third non-defective is value R. R. This one is R. 3 and this one 5 pada 5. This one before 5. Before or on. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 8, what is the distribution? Okay, hypergeometry. For this one, hypergeometry. Because this one is have N, capital N. This one is okay. This one K slide. This one N. This one is X. Okay, number 9. Okay, same. This one same. Number 9 is okay. This hypergeometry. Hypergeometry. Okay, what is the value N? Capital N. What is the capital N? 40. N is 40. What is the small n? Small l. 12. And n is small. Okay, what is the value k? K. Okay, okay, pandai nak jualnya. Okay, 12 K kita 12. Tengok dia punya defective This one defective. This one is okay, X ada. Okay, value, what is value X? Nak 8 8, 8. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Okay, what is the value? Okay, this is same for this one hypergeometry. Okay, what is the value capital N? Capital N. Okay, 20. Okay, what is the smaller n? Small n. Okay, 5. Okay, what is the value K? K. Okay, K8. Okay, 8. And what is the value X? At least 1. At least 1. This one X. The question the X. The question is x. X is less at least 1. Okay, the last one. Okay, same like this one. Okay, what is the value capital N? Capital N. Okay, N 200. Okay, what is the value? Value apa lagi? Yang small n. Okay, 5, 5. Okay, what is the value k? Okay, k nak 6. Okay, what is x? What is value x? Okay, x is 1. X is 1. Okay, number 2. This one 4. Okay, kita bagi seorang sikit yang ni try kita cuba buat nanti kalau tak dapat kita bincang sama-sama. Okay, Zahin ada Zahin. Okay, Zahin ada tak Zahin? Okay, Zahin.
Ada.
Okay, Zahin try number 1 Zahin.
Number 1.
Okay, number 1.
A dengan B sir.
A, B boleh lah. Okay, Zahin A, B. Okay, number 2 power juga ni tak ni. Siapa boleh buat ni? Okay, James. Ada James. Okay, James.
Ada.
Okay, James number 1. Fungsi sama kawan ni. Tak apa dah. Okay, Roger ada Richard. Roger.
Ada sir, tapi tak sure kalau
tak apa. Ni jawapan ada. Pastikan dapat jawapan. Answer I given the answer this one. Try find the answer. Okay, number 3. Okay, Irsa ada Irsa. Irsa tak ada. Okay, number Syafiq ada Syafiq. Ni kalau tak ada saya remove kalau saya panggil tak ada saya remove tau. Kira dia memang tak datang lah ni. Okay, Syafiq ada tak Syafiq Aiman?
Sir.
Okay, Syafiq nombor 3. Okay, Fakrul Amin. Fakrul Amin ada tak? Fakrul Amin tak ada. Hazim ada Hazim Haskam.
Ya, saya.
Okay, Hazim nombor 3B.
Okey.
Okay, kita tengok nombor ni. Okay, ni senang je. Okay, nombor 4, nombor 4. Muhammad Daniel ada?
Ya, saya ada.
Okay, Daniel ni nombor 4 T1 ni sama je lah ni.
Alright.
Okay. Okay, number B. Khairul Fitri ada? Khairul Fitri ada? Khairul Fitri ada? Tak ada, Khairul. Tak ada. Saya remove lah nama ni. Lepas tu tak boleh masuk lagi ni. Fahmi Firdaus ada? Fahmi Firdaus. Okay, Fahmi nombor B, 4B. Okay, number 1. Okay, number 5 5 kita sampai 5 kita stop lepas tu kita tu. Elizabeth ada Elizabeth Banan Elizabeth tak ada. Elizabeth tak ada.
Ada, sir.
Okay, Elizabeth 5A Elizabeth. Okay, Lita ada Lita. Lita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, B. Okay, Lita. Okay, yang lain tengok dulu kita tengok sampai nombor 5. Lepas tu kita tengok yang lain kita kemudian the answer from number 1 from your friend. Okay, number 1 is okay. Number 1 is no problem. Okay, using negative binomial. For this one, P is 0.27, Q is 0.3. For this one, X is pi, R is 3. It is okay. Just using formula, we can get the answer 0.1852. Okay, number 2, for X is equal 1, we can get the answer is 0.00537. Okay, for this one, we can get 3. This one is 2. 5 mark. Okay, this one okay. Number 1, number 2, number 2 still not finish. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3 is not clear. Siapa buat ni? Tengok number 3. Okay, number 3. Number 3, Petro Anis. Okay, N is given. Okay. Okay, number 3, number 3A, we want this binomial distribution and it's 18, and we want to find at least pi. For this one, you can using the using the table. If you have the table, you can look at the table straightforward, and it's 18 and P at least as less than at least greater and okay, at least greater or equal 5. It is equal 1 minus P as less or equal 4. For N, for this one, N 18 and P is 0.3. And if you have the table, you can look at the table. And make sure you have the table before test. Before test, you must have on your table. Okay, looks N is 18 from the table straightforward. We can get this one and 3. This one 4. Okay, from the table it is 1 minus 0.3327. Okay, the answer is 0.6673. If you see suffix answer, it is not clear. Answer suffix is not clear. Suffix is okay. He do one by one. It is using calculation. This one. The lastly, he just how to find this one not clear. This one you have two answers, okay, but the answer is wrong. This one.
Ya,
Please.
saya ni gambar ni.
Mana sapi jawapan betul ni? 534 kan?
Ya, tu yang salah tu. Dia potong tapi.
Yang atas itu cara perkiraan tak betul ni. Okey. Kerana buat if you want to do manually, you must calculate x greater or equal 5. Maknanya nak kira ni. Jadi biasanya normally we can use this straightforward using table from the table. Okay, looks at figure 3B, figure B ada tak? Okay, 3B, okay, this one okay, S is 5, okay, R is 3, P 0.5, okay, we can get 3 marks, okay. Okay, number 4, quality, N is 20, okay, number 4, N is 20, okay, P is 0.1, okay, from here you can straightforward using the table. 1 time 3 marks. Okay, normally this one is 2 marks. Okay, this one okay. Number 4B. Okay, 4B. Okay, what is the probability? 9 chip selected is spot. Okay, fail. Okay, this straightforward using P. This one okay. We can get the answer 0.00. Okay. Okay, after that we look at the number 5. Number 5A. Okay, 5A you can look at your friend. Apa nama kawan awak? Okay, 5A. Okay, N is 5. Okay, P, Y greater or equal 1, it is equal, P S less than 0, less or equal 0, it is equal 0.4437. P is 0.15. Okay, James, number 2A. Okay, 2A. Okay, 2A, N is 30. Okay, mean is given is 3. And number A, we must find the value P. Mu is equal N times P, it is equal 3, it is equal N divide P. We can get P it is equal 0.1. Okay, the question X greater or equal to Okay, for this one cannot using a normal distribution. For this one is not. This one is not normal distribution. We can straightforward. It is equal. Okay, Jim, your answer is wrong. This one, straightforward for this one using the table. It is equal 1 minus P S equal 1. And looks from the table, N is 30 and P is 0.1. P is 0.1. P 0.1, we can get the answer is equal. If you have the table, you can look the table. 1 is 1837. Okay, looks at the number 2B, 2B. And those, okay, this one, your answer is, okay, now let's look at the number 2B. Okay, the number 2B, a batch is rejected if at least 2 coil spring in the batch are non-conforming. Okay, what is the probability that the fifth batch checked by the officer is the second batch that is rejected? Okay, for this one is looks you must cannot using P. If you see this one P from the question, we can get P is 0.1. Okay, number B, the P is based on this one. P is based on this question. B, okay, B is based on this question. If you see the this one, it is same with the question number A. It is same with the question number A. A batch is rejected if at least two. For this one, same. What is the probability that the found at least two coil spring are non-conforming? The same, non-conforming. Jadi, for this one, you must using P. This one P. This one P. You must using P. This one. After you find P, this one 0.8193, you can solve this problem using. For this one is using negative binomial. Negative binomial. Okay, for this one, S, what is the value S? The probability that the fifth batch checked by the officer is the second batch. Okay, S is equal. What is the value X? Okay, number 2B, what is the value X? What is the value R? What is the value R?
5.
X is 5, X is 5.
Oh, H5.
R is equal?
Not sure, doctor.
2. Okay, let's try this one. Using P is this one. P using 0.1893. If you're using P 0.1, it is wrong. Using P is this one. Using this one. Okay, P S is equal 5. It is equal, the formula is 4, 1, P 0.11 power R. R is equal to 0.1837 power X to R 3. This one 3. Okay, try calculate that. Same or not? The answer.
It's the same, doctor.
Same,
0.165.
The answer same. Okay. This question number 2B, it is equal the question number 5. If you see number 5, it is almost it is like this one. The how to find the probability. It is normally using P from here. Using P from here. P, you get here the 0.443. After that, using to solve the number B, the number B. If you see this one is only non-defective. This one is non-defective. Same. This you must using non-defective component using this information. Okay. Okay. This one is okay. Okay, try the number, this one. Okay, try number. Okay, we have try number. This one, negative hypergeometry. We discussed about hypergeometry. The question about hypergeometry. Okay, I just select two questions. Okay, try number 10 and 11. Number 10 and 11. This one is hypergeometry question. Okay, siang ada siang Wenkin. Okay, siang this question number 10. Okay, number 11. Royan Ibrahim ada. Royan Ibrahim. Not here, Royan Ibrahim. Okay, you claiming. Okay, you this one. You ada you. Okay, you okay this one Okay, number B. Nabila ada Nabila Najwa.
Ada.
Okay, Nabila nama ni. Number okay, last.
Okay.
Okay, kita tengok je lah. And Nabila is already done. Okay, number 1. Okay, this one A, B, X is equal 1. Okay, N is 2000, 200. It is 9. Okay, and we can just using the formula. It is equal. Okay, using formula. It is equal 0.138. Okay, number B. Okay, mean it is equal N times P. P is equal K. K divided by N. Okay, from here we can get the answer. It is equal. Okay, N is equal 4. Okay, from here we can get the answer 0.12. Okay, finish. Okay, the number 1, number A. Okay, for this one, we want to find what is the value. Okay, greater than 1. Okay, we have two answer. The question 1, we want to find x greater than or equal 1. It is equal 1 minus p as less or equal 0. Using formula. Okay, we can get the answers in 948. Okay, the variance using formula, it is equal pi 0.4 times 0.6 times 15 divided by 90. Okay, it is equal 0. Okay, this one okay, finish. I think no problem about hypergeometry. Okay, today we go to Poisson distribution, Poisson and exponential distribution. Okay, you can take the note, this one note. Okay, the exercise, you can find the exercise. Okay, okay, we try do video. Okay, for this one. Okay, the number 1, looks the number 1, number 1A. Number 1, what write down the probability density function for x. For this one, what is the distribution for x? Apa dia punya tu? Apa jawapan tu buat dia tu answer? Okay, if you find this one, okay, okay, for this question, we want to find what is the probability density function for x. You must write like this one. For this one, if x is a hypergeometry, okay, for example, for this one, if x is binomial, you must write x is binomial and p like this one. The answer is like this one. For this one, x when you have geometry, x is geometry, follow geometry. The parameters is the parameter is R and P. R for this one is 1, P is a P, this one. Or it is, we can write that like geometry P, just write P. Okay, for negative binomial, S is follow, negative binomial, R, P. This is the, okay, R, P. Okay, for hypergeometry, S follow, hypergeometry. Okay, we have N, and K. And K. We have N and K. Okay, for Poisson distribution, it is same as is follow Poisson. Poisson is just using lambda. S is follow lambda. For exponential, exponential same with Poisson. S follow exponential. This just using lambda. Using lambda. Okay, for this question, number this one. Okay, number one, write down the probability density function. You must write like just using the answer like this one. S follow. This one is exponential lambda. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Berapa nilai lambda ni?
60.
60 di sini
60.
60 salah 60 ni nilai ni untuk for exponential this one is nilai mu this mu is 60. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Looks the formula for exponential the value of mean. How to find the mean for exponential? Apa dia punya rumus? Dapatkan mean? Lambda. What is the value lambda?
1/60.
1/60, okay. Don't forget that this one mu is equal 1 divided by lambda. Lambda is equal 1 minus mu. The answer is exponential. Satu lagi 60. The answer is this one. If it is correct, you can get 1 mark. Dia senang je, tapi kalau tak tahu memang tak tahu. The answer like this one. Kalau write down the probability, you must like this one. S follow exponential lambda. You find what is the value lambda. After you get this one, I give you 1 mark. Okay, this one is straightforward. This one, okay, this one calculate the probability x less. It is less. X less equal 65. Okay, for this one is just using exponential. Exponential. It is equal 1 minus e negative lambda x. Lambda it is equal 1 minus lambda is equals 1/60. X is 60, and we can get 56. Divide by 60. Okay, you can calculate. Okay, the number B. Okay, the number B is memory less. Less formula. I think more less. Okay, which one is already occur? Which one is already occur? X. This one is greater. What is okay, which one is the already occur? Okay, 11. Okay, for this one. Okay, keyword this one is within greater or less? Within the next 5 minutes.
Less.
Less. You must using less. 11 plus 5. Okay, if you see the formula is when less, this one is when less, this one is less. Same. This one less. That's what is the value here.
5.
5, okay. Okay, it is equal. Okay, 1 minus e lambda s. What is the value lambda? What is the value lambda? Okay, lambda. What is the value lambda? And look here, exponential distribution with mean time 11 minutes. Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, 1 over 11, 1 bagi 111. Okay, it is equal 1 minus E tolak dengan 1 over 11 times X is pi. Pi divided by E. Okay, if you calculate, we can get the same answer, 3653. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, the number B. Okay, the number B. Okay, the time arrival bus. Okay, what is the distribution number 1? Okay, this one is number 1, this one is number 2, and this one is number 3. Okay, what is the distribution number 1?
Poisson.
Poisson. Okay, why you know Poisson?
1 hour. Probability wait longer than 1 hour.
Poisson or exponential? This one, number 1. Poisson or what is the probability that the passenger has to wait longer? This one is longer than 1 hour. Okay, for this one, and look at the unit hours. Hours is Poisson or exponential distribution. Okay, apa soalan jawapan ni?
Exponential, Doktor.
Exponential, look, kalau bilangan is the number, you must using Poisson. This one is hours. Bila masa, when time, we must using exponential. Okay, this one. Longer, what is meant? Wait longer than 1 hour. Greater ataupun lebih besar? Kecil atau lebih besar?
More.
More, this one more. S more than 1 hours. Kalau tengok this one is minute, So, okay, what is the value lambda? Lambda is very important, lambda. What is the value lambda? Lambda. Okay, Ahmad, berapa lambda?
1 over 15.
1 over 15, and okay, the one is 15. Okay, for this one is hours, This one hours. Kena ubah, change hours. Hours jadi kena samakan. Okay, it is equal P as greater than, kalau 1 hours, 4 minute. 1 minute?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Okay, this is 60 minutes. It is equal, if greater, it is equal, you just triple what is minus lambda, tambah 60 bagi 15, It is equal is minus 4, The answer is 0. Okay, dan kalau kira jawapan sama, 0.0183. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, kalau tengok already done, this one already waiting, Okay, tengok. Okay, mana yang telah berlaku? What is the already done? P X greater than
60 minutes. 60.
60, 1 hour, for this one, 1 hour, this one is minute, You must using same unit. Greater. Okay, the next is waiting, the next. Mas lebih besar lebih kecil? Greater or less small?
Less.
Less. Ini sama dengan atas, It is almost same, 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15. It is equal P S then 15. It is equal 1 minus E minus lambda. Lambda is equal 1 over 15. We can get this one 1. It is equal 0. Okay, number 3. Okay, determine T such that the probability that passenger wait less than T minutes is 0.5 for this one. Okay, how to write the mathematical for this one. Okay, we want to find the determining the value T, the probability that the passenger wait less than T minutes is 0.5. Okay, what is the mathematical for this one? T. Okay, what is symbol? P. Okay, lagi apa ni? Okay, X less than less kurang daripada T minute, it is equal 0.45. Okay, for this one, exponential or Poisson distribution? Exponential or Poisson? Okay, exponential. Why exponential?
Do you mean it?
Time, because time. Bila time kita gunakan exponential. Okay, what is the formula? S less than T for formula? What is the formula? The formula.
Exponent negative.
So now 1 exponent terus. Ini less. Lambda still same. Lambda is still same. Lambda is 1 over 15. It is the same question. And look, this one is exponential. The formula when less, it is equal 1 minus E minus lambda T. Lambda T is equal 0.5. Okay, E lambda is 1 over 15. It is equal E minus T over 15. It is equal 0.5. Okay, you can calculate. You can solve this one. We can get T. Okay, T it is equal. What is it? We can get T 0.4. Okay, the number 3. Okay, the number 3. What is this distribution? Number 3.
Poisson.
Poisson. Poisson sebab dia nyatakan Poisson. Dia nyatakan Poisson. Okay, what is the value lambda? Berapa nilai lambda?
2.7.
2.7 this one tak bukan mu this one 2.7 tak payah tu sebab dia adalah Poisson when Poisson mu it is equal lambda it is equal variance Poisson. Okay, time, what is the time for 1 hours for 1 hours, and this one from 9 to 10. Okay, during a given set hours, what are the probability that more than 4? This one straightforward. More than 4. Okay, it is equal 1 minus P S equal 4 or 3?
4.
Okay, 4. This one 4. Okay, you can find the probability from the table. Looks lambda is 2.7. After that, looks P is equal 4. We can get the answer. 2.7 number 4, the answer is not 5. It is equal if you 8, 6, 2, 9, we can get the answer is same 1371. Okay, the number 4. Okay, the number 4, the time between detection of a particle with an electrical contact is exponential distribution, which means 1.4. what is the variance of the time? Okay, dia nak dapatkan variance. Okay, for this one is it is already dah nyatakan it is exponential distribution. We mean 1.4. Okay, what is the value lambda? Lambda berapa dapat? What is the value lambda? Okay, make sure kalau exponential dia punya formula 1 over mu 1 bagi 1.4. Okay, how to find variance? What is the formula variance for exponential? Apa formula dia?
1 over lambda square.
1 over lambda square. Variance is equal 1 over lambda square. Okay, kalau kita masukkan kita akan dapat 1.4 power 2 it is 1.96. Okay, number B. Okay, suppose we turn, okay, the question same within the next 30 seconds. Okay, for this one is same the important you must seragamkan the unit is minute, this one is the second. The unit must same. Okay, which the already occur, probability that already occur, S greater than already occur.
Three minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, for this one, X less or greater within the next
10 less.
less. Okay, this one same. Okay, 30 seconds. How minute?
0.5 minute.
0.5 minute. Okay, what is the formula for here? It is equal to less or greater?
Less.
Less than 0.5. Okay, it is 0.303. It is equal 1 minus E minus lambda S. Masukkan nilai, we can get the answer 0.33 or so. Okay, this one is Poisson. Okay, we try this one. Okay, tak banyak lagi kita cuba habiskannya. Lepas tu, okay, the number ticket or issue by a meter reader for parking violation can be modeled by Poisson. This one is Poisson. Okay, rate parameter is 5 per hour. 5 dalam. This one, what is the value lambda?
5.
Lambda is 5. Masa dia 1 hour. Per hours is mean 1 hour. 5 is in 1 hour. Okay, the question, what is the probability that at least, okay, what is the symbol at least?
Less.
Less at least.
More than equal.
More equal 4. Is in during 30 minutes. Okay, what is the value lambda? This one 1 hour 5. 30 minutes. Okay, 2.5. 2.5. Okay, looks from the table. What is okay? It is equal 1 minus P S less or equal 3 or 4. 3 or 4.
4.
4 salah 3
3.
Kena belajar balik ni. Kalau tengok ni, the looks from the table 2.5 lambda 3 Okay, make sure the answer is 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, this one, the number B. How many tickets do you expect to issue during 45 minutes? Okay, expected. What is the expected? This one, expected. Apa kita nak cari? What do we want to find? Expected. Okay, mean. Okay, this when you can word expected, it is equal mean. Mean. Okay, what is the value of mean? 45 minutes. 1 hour is 5 when 45 minutes. 15 dapat 15. 15. 45 minit. 3.75 Jawapan ada jawapan 3.75. You can try find what is the answer. Okay, number 6. Okay, the operator of a pumping station has observed that demand for water during early afternoon has as per approximately exponential distribution with mean 100 CFS. CFS is mean cubic feet per second. Cubic. This one exponential. This one exponential. Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, lambda. Lambda is very important for this one. Okay, what is the value lambda? Okay, 0.01, 0.01. It is equal 1 divided by 100. Okay, number 8. Find the probability that the demand will exceed 200. This one. You see the unit same. CFS. This one is CFS. It is using exponential. Okay. This one exceed 200. It is equal. When greater, it is equal E minus lambda x. It is equal E lambda is 1 over 100. X is over x is equal 200. 200 bagi dengan 100. And we can get the answer is 0.1353. 0.353. Okay, number B. Okay, what is the mathematical for B, number B? Okay, what is the probability? What is the this one? Mathematical this one. Okay, apa matematik dia ni? For this one, water pumping capacity, this one, capacity. Okay, capacity, this one, exit capacity, exit. Okay, X. What is the symbol exit? Exit. What is the exit? Okay, Roger, what is exit?
More.
Okay, more, more. Okay, this one is not given. We can put any two. For this one, I just put C, capacity C. We want to find what is the value C. Okay, it is 0. It is equal 0.01. Okay. Okay, for this one is exponential distribution. What is the formula? Apa formula that this one? It's greater C.
Exponential.
Exponential. It is equal A exponential minus what is it?
Lambda x.
Lambda x. This one C. And when you use this, we want to find the value C. Lambda C. It is equal 0.01. Kalau gunakan the symbol is greater, the greater you can straightforward like this one. Kalau if less, it is using 1 minus. Kalau less, we can using less 1 minus. Kalau less, if you less, this one symbol less, it is equal 1 minus. Kalau greater, you just straightforward lambda. Kalau greater, you use it in minus lambda x. Okay, lambda it is equal lambda. What is the value lambda? 1 over 0.01. Okay, try okay, this one. It is equal A 0.01 C. It is equal 0.01. How to solve this one? Nak selesaikan how to solve?
Move E to the other side, become ln, and then move negative lambda to the other side.
Okay, okay, time ln, time ln both sides. You can get this one negative 0.01 C. It is equal ln 0.01. Okay, C it is equal Try calculate ln 0.01. Berapa nilai ln 0.01?
Negative 4.6051.
Okay. Negative 0.
Oh, 4.60.
Oh, 4 point. Okay, 4 point. Negative 4.60. Divide by negative 0.01. We can get the answer same. 460.5. Okay. Number 7. I think it's okay. Okay, number 7. The time in minutes of failure of component after starting trial is exponential. Okay, dia nyatakan is the exponential. The mean is 20. Okay, what is the value lambda? What is the value lambda?
1/20.
1/20. Okay, the number 1. What is the probability that the light time control is more than 30 minutes? 30 minutes. When you see the unit is minute, we must use it exponential. It is more than. Okay, this unit same. This 30 minutes. This one 30 minutes. Okay, for this one is straightforward. T s greater than 30 minutes. It is equal A minus 30 divided by 20. Okay, the answer is 0.2231. Okay, the number B. Okay, okay, try look say what is the mathematical. Cuba buat dulu Cuba kita tengok betul tak salah. Ini simbol matematik. Okay, number B. Okay, which the event already occur? Already occur.
20.
20. S greater than 20. Okay, for this one, S after the next 10
More
minutes.
than.
After the next 10 minutes. Less or greater?
Greater.
Greater than the next 10 minutes. It is 20 plus 10 10. Okay, it is equal P greater or less?
Greater.
Greater than? Greater than 10. Okay, 10. Kalau 10 minutes. Okay, if you see the unit same, this 1 minute, this 1 minute, this one is minute. It is straightforward for this one. It is equal E minus 10 divided by 20. The answer is 0.6 or 565. Okay, the last question. Betul habis ni. Okay, the time. Okay, what is the value lambda?
1/2.
1/2. Kita dapat 1/2. Lambda is 1/2. Okay, the number 1. Apa dia punya question? Okay, what is the probability that the machine need a repair after 2 hours? 2 hours. Okay, this one, apa unit dia ni? Min 2. With min 2. Berapa unit dia? Berapa unit dia?
In hour.
In hours boleh tengok measure kalau kena pastikan measure the unit same this one same hours, this one hours when the unit same we cannot do anything we just straightforward. It is after greater than 2. It is equal E minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. 0.37. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one. Okay, apa dia punya, apa yang telah, which one is the already occur?
9 hours.
9 hours given as greater than 9 hours. Okay, for this one, X. X.
More than
Less.
More than
10.
10.
kena tambah
Plus
9.
9 plus 10.
No need plus.
No need.
This one no need. This is just straightforward.
Oh, okay. Thank you, doctor.
Okay, it is equal P S less or greater?
Greater.
Greater than
10.
10 or 1?
1. 1.
1 okay, this one okay 1. It is very important Kalau salah ni. You study again this one memory less the question like this one. It is equal E minus lambda. Lambda is equal 1/2 times 1 It is equal E minus 1/2. It is 0. Okay, finish Okay, we finish. Okay, tomorrow we start try to do
X more than 2. So kalau before ni kita akan buat dia 1 tolak PX less than 2. So kenapa yang kali ni kita boleh straightforward terus doktor?
Itu kalau ni sama je ni sebenarnya. Kalau dia punya formula is ini kalau P X greater A it is equal 1 minus E minus lambda A. Kalau greater sebenarnya sama dia. Greater kalau S greater A it is equal greater this one 1 minus PX less or equal A. Kalau tengok tolak dia akan mati. Tolak mati tolak lambda A kan. Nanti A satu sama satu boleh mati. Dia akan dapat A minus tolak lambda A.
Oh, okey doktor. Kalau dalam test straightforward je doktor.
Boleh straightforward. Sama je, jawapan sama.
Thank you doktor.
Okay, see you tomorrow Okay, after that I will give this